Apartmento, San Pablo. This is my room review for my apartment in Panajachel, Guatemala. Got a nice little breakfast bar. We'll have water soon, and I'll get a gas bottle shortly for the stove. They have sink, coffee pot, and the utensils and necessities. A refrigerator costs $1,500 or $200 a month. Nice bed. Got like shelves to store your things in. And there's 8 hangers. Woo! This is an 8-star stay. Nice view right outside to the mountains. And there's a little balcony. There's a bathroom. Pretty nice. I have my stuff in it. And it's got great on-demand hot water by electricity. This is probably the most reliable hot water source. You'll have to remember to turn it on and off with the breaker. First you turn on the water, then you turn on the breaker, and you turn off the breaker and then turn off the wire. I've spoken this already in previous videos. It's got a nice desk area to do some work and a balcony outside as well. Seems to be very quiet here. It's the hallway. Nice garden. It's an alleyway, so it'll be quiet. It's not a main street. The family operates some tuk-tuks or moto taxis. And there's even a clothesline. And you can wash clothes manually, or you can pay a small fee to use a washing machine. Generally wash mine by hand. I think it causes less wear and tear. Nice view of some more mountains and terraces. As I mentioned in my room video about how to get better rooms, you don't want to make assumptions. I did. This suicide hot water shower head does not function properly. And if you look carefully, or even not carefully, you can see electrical tape. This is a bad sign. It also leaks from this switch. Oh yeah, I tried to adjust that while it was on. I got an unpleasant shock. Also, judging by that tape, you might make the assumption that, hey, this thing probably doesn't work real well. And, well, it doesn't. It gets hot water rarely, and most times it's kind of lukewarm. If you play with it, it's not frigid at least. All in all, this apartment's still of value. And if I was prone to complain a lot and waste a lot of time arguing, maybe I could get this upgraded, but that's just not my thing. Instead, I'm giving you an honest review, verify the hot water works before you pay your money, or just go somewhere else that you know doesn't have a problem after you see that it doesn't work right.